So my name is Engin. I am CEO of Sparta Medical. We develop antiviral, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory coatings. And when we started the Innova program, our focus was mostly medical. That's our background. But with the change in the situation with COVID, there was lots of demand from the other industries. So that was one of the main things we worked during the Innova to change our way of presenting ourselves for other sectors. And this really paid dividends. Recently, we have signed a contract with a big cosmetic company, a multinational company, even though we continue working on the medical part and we are in final parts of negotiation for a co-development with a German company. And that was one advantage, to be able to expand our reach. And the second one is to have our feet in US, which will be a strategic market for us. Any company involved in medcare, it is important. And another part is that Innova alumni and the network is quite strong. And it keeps us, I already work with several Innova alumni companies. And also it keeps us in contact with the other actors, such as NextMed, Eurometropole. So it provides us with a more organic interaction with our surroundings. So I strongly recommend it for the companies who are looking for acceleration and expansion. Thank you.
Thank you again. Thank you very much. And Engin was a hardworking entrepreneur. We worked very hard with him as well. And thanks for and congrats for the success. Congrats.
Thank you.
So next we have Geoffrey Kretz, CEO of Quit. Fantastic company, inspiring. Geoffrey, are you with us?
Yes, I'm here.
Excellent.
Yes, I'm Geoffrey, CEO and co-founder of Quit, KWIT, and we are building digital therapeutic solutions to fight against addiction. And right now we are fighting against smoking cessation, against smoking addiction. We are already helping millions of people around the world. So we help both the health of the people and the health of the planet because cigarette is a high pollutant. And we were happy to participate in the very first Innova cohort. And so yeah, it was cool because there is a lot of nice speakers and people who bring you value. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you. And Geoffrey recently has been raising some funds and making some great progress and is an example of resilience. And we're really glad to have Geoffrey, who has been very active in the alumni group since the beginning. So thanks for being the first, one of the first in that program. And hopefully now with that bigger ecosystem, also we can add more opportunities for you and your business. Thank you. And then Philipe Bastide, are you with us, Philipe? Diagnostic?
Yes, I am, Alistair. Can you hear me?
Yes. Welcome, Philippe.
Thank you. Excellent. I'm glad to hear and see some familiar faces. It reminds me good memories. So I'm the co-founder of Diagnostic, a Strasbourg-based medtech startup, which is dedicated to the largely underserved ear, nose, and throat market. And more specifically, chronic rhinitis, chronic sinusitis, and nosebleed. So quickly today, I really wanted to give a tribute to the teams in Boston and Strasbourg, who actually relentlessly promote the collaboration between those two fantastic ecosystems. Regarding the program, a couple of things real quick. You have to bear in mind that there is a lot of prep work prior to the soft landing program itself, which is something absolutely great because when you get there, you are already well prepared. We've been, challenged regarding our project, which is also great. You don't want people to tell you that you are bright and beautiful, but to get valuable feedback, which you can get through the program. We learned a lot about the US and how to prepare our entry in this complex market, which is absolutely vital as well. We had the opportunity to interact with physicians and present our product to them. And last but not least, we met potential investors. So since the program, we have launched our first product, and it has been decided after the program to go for the US market. In a very structured manner. Last point in conclusion, don't forget that those guys at Innova and all the people surrounding them, which are equally important. They have, so to speak, horsepower under the hood. So do not hesitate to challenge them as they challenge you, because it's going to be mutually beneficial.